Welcome to Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose, and opportunity connect. Today's update is one of the biggest global nursing breakthroughs in 2025. Scotland has officially opened its doors for internationally educated nurses, and applications are now being accepted from almost anywhere in the world. NHS Scotland has announced thousands of vacancies across its healthcare system, with full support for overseas recruitment. This means qualified nurses from countries like Nigeria, the Philippines, India, and Ghana can now apply under the UK Health and Care Worker Visa. The Scottish Government confirms that local health boards are actively recruiting, offering relocation assistance and guidance through every step of the NMC registration process. Facts and details. According to official workforce reports, there are currently over 3,000 nurse vacancies across NHS Scotland. Health boards like NHS Lanarkshire have already welcomed hundreds of nurses from overseas, providing accommodation support, OSCE training, and community orientation. The average salary for Band 5 registered nurses in Scotland starts from £31,000 per year, with excellent benefits and a safe, family-friendly environment. Visa plus eligibility. To qualify, you'll need a valid nursing qualification, English proficiency through IELTS or OET, and an eligibility letter from the Nursing and Midwifery Council. Once a Scottish Health Board offers you a job, they will issue a certificate of sponsorship, allowing you to apply for your Health and Care Worker Visa. It's that simple: preparation, application, and faith in action. Faith plus purpose message. This opportunity isn't just a policy. It's a door of destiny for nurses around the world. When one door closes, God opens another. And right now, the door to Scotland is wide open. Prepare, pray, and believe. The same God who guided others will guide you too. Job search hints. 1. HC1. Care homes across Scotland. 2. Barchester Healthcare, homes in Scotland. 3. Balhousie Care Group, Scotland-only group. 4. Mealmore Ltd, Scottish Care Group. 5. Homes Care Group, Scotland. 6. Randolph Hill Nursing Homes Group, East/Central Scotland. 7. New Cross Healthcare Solutions, Scotland, Ltd. 8. Advinia Healthcare. 9. Maria Maliband Care Group. Verify license on the official register of licensed sponsors, workers. Gov.uk. Check the vacancy text for Certificate of Sponsorship or Visa Sponsorship and confirm by email before applying. Apply via the employer's careers site, not only through job boards. Check for some links in the comments section. Thank you for watching Purpose Path TV Global. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help another nurse discover their opportunity. For more global updates, free resources, and faith-driven guidance, connect with us at purposepathglobal@gmail.com. Until next time, keep walking in purpose, and keep your faith strong.